I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Stick your finger under there, man. You only do it, man.
I take shots, I take blocks, I make shots, I miss blocks. I get big blocks, get yachts, swing blocks, and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big news, bigger things impatient. Set a time that they need to replace me. Most of the time, think I'm gonna always in the basement. I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I want it, I'll make it up,
Durango right here got the real lights on the Durango. Yeah, bro, I didn't even see the roll Royce type stuff back here. Got the drinks, got the cigars in here.
These ain't the cheap kind of wheel lights neither, though.
No, but they're expensive wheel lights, man. Oh my God.
Timeless, he said.
Yeah, more money than I got, buddy. More money. More Giottos up there. All of the trucks out here look about the same. It's squatted a little bit, and they have replicas, buddy.
Yeah, they all about the same.
That's the country style in North Carolina, South Carolina, buddy. Put replicas on the vehicle. Where's the replica?
You know you balling when you got your own little truck.
Yeah, but he's rolling with his kid in the truck, dude.
It's not one of those little electric ones.
No, it's motor, buddy. He got a little baby. You got a little monster truck you about to take on the track, dog.
Let's see how fast this thing goes.
I bet it rolls. Watch it. Oh, man. Never mind. I thought it went faster than that.
He's going, though.
Rotted, man. It's okay, though. Whatever.
Not too bad.
I said he's still whipping around the track over here.
Still going over there.
It's a big old truck.
But this is, I think the book he was going.
Some rock lights under here on the GMC.
And then here we go with this. That's his massive truck.
Yeah, buddy, stand beside it real quick. Yeah. He's 6'5" right here. and he's up to the barely at the window. So massive truck over here. Wheels and the shocks. Everything's got the shocks on them. Jesus. Secluded over here. You got the caddy over here. Got the big wheels over here.
Yeah, I'd like to know y'all's thoughts on this caddy right here. And this challenge.
Looks nice.
I'm not a big fan of muscle cars.
But the paint job though,
stuff like that, but,
paint job on the Challenger looks amazing.
you guys
I ain't gonna lie.
thoughts.
Paint job dude, I like the paint job right there on that, man. That Challenger right there. What you think about the vehicle right here? Got it looks like a Barbie princess theme. Jeep.
Guys, I would like to know y'all's girl's car or dude's car.
I think it's one of them guys over there's car.
Anything like this.
Little bitch.
Been getting money, I ain't been getting no sleep.
Fit, man. Oh shit.